let's start by solving some problems on Excel. So I have 4 sheets and 4 problems. I'm going to attempt to solve each one of them. So the first one is count the number of hyphens in the data. So as you can quickly see, I have 4 data points. One of them has 1 hyphen, another one has another 1 hyphen, and then this one has 2 and this one has none. So basically the idea would be to count these hyphens and showcase the number as the output of the formula that I'm going to use. So let's say length of this entire text, and then I'm going to use a formula called substitute, which will take this text and basically take hyphen and replace it or substitute it with the blank. And then I'm going to take the length of this new string, get the number, and then I take the first number minus the second number without the hyphens, and you will get your result. If I apply this, you will see that this formula works for all kinds of data that I have here. So I get 1 hyphen, 2 hyphen, no hyphens, and 1 hyphen. Right? I can basically do it in single cell as well. Length of this, and there you go. I actually don't need any other thing. So single formula, it looks a bit confusing at first, but this video is about um, showcasing what can be done in Excel in very simple examples, not to teach you how to do it. Right? So let's go to second problem. So extract PNR number only. So you would see that there are PNR numbers, then hyphen, and then Mr. and then the name of the person, right? So I just need the 6 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on, right? From both these data points. What I can do is I can take the mid, I can take the text, I can say that I want to start from 4th and end up with 6 numbers, and there you go. Easy. Let's go to sheet number 3. Give me a unique list of values. So what I have here is 10 different values which are duplicated. So if you can see, apple appears 1, 2, and 3 times, and so does banana 2 times, and then so on. So what I can use is an array formula which is called unique, and take this entire data, and there you go. You have basically 5 different values from these 10 duplicated values. Problem solved. And then we go to this problem number 4, where we have to remove these special characters. So there are 2 ways to do it, using formulas, and you can also use a special replace option that is available in Excel. So I'm going to use that just to showcase. So let's take a copy of this data, and on the selected data you can do Control H, and you can do add and then replace it with nothing. And if you do, all the at symbols are basically gone. I can repeat the same exercise for pound symbol, and there you go. Now you have clean data without these special characters. Let me create a new sheet and explain a few things. In order to do problem solving in Excel, you would need a few things, right? And what we have done so far is use different kinds of techniques in order to understand the problem and solve them. So the first one is data interpretation. That means I'm trying to look at the data and interpret its structure, its meaning, and what is the problem at hand. Then what I'm going to use is logical reasoning. That means once I have understood the problem and the data, I have to apply some logic in order to approach the problem and solve it. And then to actually solve it, I have used formulas in Excel, or options or features of the tool. Okay. So these three major headings basically help me to understand the problem and solve it without any issues. Right? And that's what we are going to learn in the entire